This is a 48-inch white and brass Encon Crompton Greaves high breeze ceiling fan from the early to mid 1980s. This fan came on a 5-speed wall control, which unfortunately I do not have that wall control, so I had to use my own to run the fan with here. The speed should be about the same, really. Very nice fan overall here. I've actually been wanting one of these for quite some time. These are not really common up in my area, so I had to get this one shipped up here from Florida. Very nice fan anyway, runs pretty good and very powerful. And we'll show that here. Start up on low speed. This fan came in a wide variety of variations, different sizes, like from 50 or 36 inch all the way up to 56 inch. Came in brown and brass or white and brass. These things had options like wood blades, cane insert wood blades, metal blades. Also had a lot of lighting, different ornate lighting options, light kits you can get for these fans, and also an ornate bottom piece for them too. However, this particular fan does not have the option to mount a light to it. Take it up to the second speed. Take it up to the third speed, which will be medium. Take it to its fourth speed. And here's high speed. And that banging noise you hear when I change the speeds is just the mounting. This fan, I do not have the original bushing that the fan rests on, the hook, weathered away, so there's nothing really much left up there except for the pin. And we'll shut it off here. That's about it for this video. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of this 1980s white and brass 48-inch Encon Crompton Greaves high breeze ceiling fan.